Get more business and get found.
So I'm going through member questions, and a member asked this question that just signed up for AI SEO Tool. And if you don't know what that is, I recommend you look at simplybefound.com. It is a way for you to add a snippet to your website, and we can do all of your SEO. You'll get access to the marketing coach that'll do all your SEO for you. It's like having a full-time SEO person on staff that's working 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. It's a great tool if you are a small business, especially if you design your own website. It's a great tool to be able to use it. And the question that came across my desk is, I have a Wix website. Will it work for me? Yes, it will work for you. You're going to be able to install that snippet code. So it doesn't matter if you're working with Wix, GoDaddy. It doesn't matter what you built your website on. It can be inside of Squarespace. As long as you can add a pixel to it, which is no different than adding like your Facebook ads to your website, you're going to be able to add that to your website. You're going to be able to get the benefits. All your H1 tags are going to be done, your H2 tags, your alt tags, your titles, your meta descriptions, your keywords. All of that stuff will be optimized. So when you sign up for the AI SEO tool, you're going to get that snippet. You're going to get a questionnaire of, hey, what are you looking for? What are your competition? What are those basic pieces? And then we're going to base it off of that for how that AI tool is going to go out there and be able to work for your business to be able to help you get found. Your marketing coach, like I said, is going to be right there with you by your side the entire time if you have any questions, any concerns, or need any tweaks for it. But our AI tool is designed to be able to work with any website on the market, no matter if it's e-commerce. And if it's e-commerce, we might have to do a custom package because we only allow up to 100 pages to be scanned. But you can add pretty much any kind of website to it, and it is going to help it be able to rank higher inside of the search without you really having to do much at all. If you have any questions whatsoever, contact us, simplybefound.com.
Get more business and get found.